The Woods Fund Award is more than an award. This victory is more than a victory. It's an opportunity to recognize grassroots people, parents, families. It is the transformation that the Parent Mentor Program is doing with our community.
The Parent Mentor Program is a program where we ask parents to go into the classroom 2 hours a day to help the teachers out with the students.
I like to do workshops where I have parents come in and we just work on personal goals. The Parent Mentor Program is not just you tutoring and supporting students in the classroom.
Since joining the Parent Mentor Program, I've gotten my GED, and now I'm pursuing my degree in nursing. It also made me an advocate in my community. I have a voice in my community.
Our hope is that in us doing this, bringing in parents and community members into the classroom, that would help to get the word out there and spread this across so that we can make a change. Your voice is your power.
This campaign involves 30 organizations and 150 schools, from 560 parents 3 years ago to 1,120. Our goal is to see the Parent Mentor Program in every single Chicago public school.